Good morning. Here are your U.S. market updates for January 15th, 2026. Markets are looking ahead to a heavy batch of economic data hitting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, including jobless claims, retail sales, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and import and export prices. These numbers will give traders a pulse check on the consumer, on manufacturing momentum, and on inflation pressures as we move into the first quarter. We'll also be hearing from several Fed officials throughout the day. Raphael Bostic speaks at 8:35, followed by Michael Barr at 9:15, Tom Barkin at 12:40, and Jeffrey Schmidt at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. Investors will be watching closely for any hints on the rate cut timeline and the broader policy outlook. Later in the session, we'll get business inventories, the EIA natural gas report, a cluster of Treasury buyback and bond announcements, short duration bill auctions, and then into the afternoon, Treasury buyback results, Treasury International Capital at 4 p.m., and the Fed balance sheet at 4:30. Liquidity, issuance, and balance sheet dynamics continue to be important drivers for equities, bonds, and the dollar. In M&A chatter, Ocular Therapeutics ticker OCUL popped after talk that Sanofi is circling with a sweeter takeover pitch. The first offer at around $16 a share was reportedly rejected, and Sanofi is said to be preparing a higher bid. Traders are watching for deal confirmation and premium pricing. On the filings side, Acustis, ticker AKTS, drew attention after Eli Lilly disclosed a new stake of more than 6.3 million shares, taking ownership to roughly 11.9%. Filings like this tend to spark speculation about strategic interest or longer-term positioning. And in the microcap space, Springview Holdings, ticker SPHL, surged to about $4.02, up nearly 79% on extremely tight float dynamics. The move followed news that the company signed a non-exclusive memorandum of understanding with Jiangsu GSO New Energy to pilot solar and green energy solutions for residential housing projects in Singapore. The combination of ESG headlines, low float, and speculative rotation helped drive the squeeze. That's the U.S. morning market briefing for January 15th. We'll keep an eye on the data releases, Fed commentary, and deal chatter as the session develops.